this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this I'm going to show you a whole clock that I have bought in AliExpress. It's come in a simple box, you can adjust as you want. Let's see the clock. It will be something as this. The size you can determine what you want. You have various design you can buy. 2 or 3 euro, not so much, very cheap indeed. Now we got the clock. We take this out. See the watch. Here I have to put a AA battery, that's all. And let's see the watch. Here you have the needles, the indicator of timer. Here are the numbers. You can decide wherever you want to put them. The size is on you. It's black in color. So if I take this out from here, you see this is 5 o'clock. In this case, more. You have the mapping. So size you can determine. First you have to take this one on the wall where you want. So you'll not lose the place. You have to put this one as this. At the middle you set is something as this. This one you see I have in the wall some design, some tree all the way, you see. So it will be something as this. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.